How's everybody doing? All right, let's get this day started. It's Friday, the 26th, and we're gonna be trading NASDAQ today, like every day. Let's see. Okay. So, we'll start over here on this chart here. Hold on 1 second, let me turn this down a little bit. Okay, so so what we're gonna do is we are going to delete everything that we have. Is what I'm gonna do. I'm going to look at the daily chart. Okay, I'm gonna mark out previous day high, previous day low, some liquidity levels. Previous day high, previous day low. Expecting to take one of them out. Which side? Well, we will find out in a minute. This is the opening price of the daily candle for me. That's what I marked out. Okay, we're bouncing off of this little order block here, and it's fair value gap on the daily chart. Could we see a push higher? We could we can see. We will see. Okay. So that's what we got here. We see that we're kind of rejecting this fair value gap, that fair value gap, and this little order block here, and those are getting respected. So if anything, bullish looks the way to me as far as the daily candle right now. Okay, now the 4-hour candle, 4 hours chart. Let's see. We got a 4-hour here. Right there. 4-hour above right there. That we're kind of hitting with the little order block there. So nothing to mark on the 4-hour for me. We do have a fair value gap here. Could mark out. Have it on there. Okay. $4-hour. Do that. Visibility. Boom. 4-hour. Okay. So put it there. 4-hour there. So we know we're bouncing off of that. With the order block, we'll see if we want to go towards the downside, which is that's in opposition of the daily chart, since we're looking bullish. But we will see. 1 hour. Let's jump to the 1 hour now. Let's see if we got any fair value gaps, anything going on here. Nothing really going on here on the 1 hour that I could tell. If anything, we could look at. Let's check this out. We can kind of measure the midpoint of this range here. So we are in the we are at the midpoint right here. So this would be a good point to see a rejection if we want to go down. We will see. But that's that's it. That is the 50% mark right there. Okay, that's the only thing I could really mark as of now. That's the only thing I can mark as of now. I do see this getting disrespected. I'm just trying to see what's being respected and what's not being respected on the 1 hour. Disrespected. Little order block. Breaker. Being respected. With the 50%. That's the only thing I can see. See, that's inversion. So that's, if we could I guess we could just mark that out. Have the 1 hour right there. 1 hour inversion. Boom, it came up, came down, boom, hit it. So it doesn't appear that we closed past it. No, we did not. So we're just seeing how that works out right now. If we're gonna get a good rejection, we'll see. Let's go to the 15 minute. We're at 50%. 15 minute. Okay, I see that we're holding this. 15 right here. I see that. Looked like we just tapped into this little one here. Also, in that little one up there too. I like little 15s because they hold sometimes, or a lot of times actually. They hold a lot. So we're gonna mark it. See what's up. And we're gonna mark that up. Let's also look at the midnight open. Mark that out. London low, London high. Let's check that out. Okay. So we opened up, we took out after London, we took it out London low, and then we took out London high. Asia low too. That could be London low right there. I'm gonna mark that out. London low. 2 to 5 is kind of what I usually would imagine would be good for that. London 2 to 5. Yeah, so I don't know why I didn't get that part. That's 5. Okay, either way. So that's London low right there. Which kind of expecting for it to hit it, to be honest with you. Let's get this new day opening gap here. See. Let's see. Okay. This is the settlement right here. Okay, we'll go back down here, change that back. Just a new day opening gap, see what happens here. See if we can close that out. See what we can get. And yeah. So let's just see what else we got here. And a big old 15 right here. I'll mark. Looks like we haven't touched it yet. No, we haven't touched it yet. So we'll see if we can get there or not. I do like the downside. I do like the downside right now. So we will see what we get. I don't think I saw any equal highs. I don't think. Let's see. Nothing here, nothing there. No equal highs or anything as of now that I see. On the 15, nothing there. Kind of those, but nah. Wouldn't even call it that. So. So that's all I have to mark out on this right now. That's all I got on this one. So we're gonna go back to 1 minute here to see what's going on at the 1 minute. This is gonna stay the 1 minute here. 1 minute chart, my 5 minute chart. See if we got anything over here. How are we looking at the 5 minute chart? It's like the lowest time frame to actually trade on as far as using. Give me 1 minute is just kind of just like an entry. 5 minutes and 15. Also with the 1 hour are kind of my setup and what I want to see. Yeah, I expect it to hit that London low. Mark this little low time frame for reg gap out real quick. So I have that there. See what happens here. See if we get a setup towards the downside right now. Let's see if we get one. Just gonna try to be patient today. Extra patient. We're not gonna try. We're gonna be patient today. Gonna be patient today. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Market's open. Bing, 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 bing. Market's open. Let's see what we got here. Okay, close the settlement. Still looking for London low. Let's just see what happens here. There's no entry yet. I'm just gonna let this thing play out, man. Let it play out real quick. See what we get here. Still looking. See. See. See what we got going on here. Look, we're holding this 15, we're holding the 5 here. Still coming up that 1 hour. Okay. See what happens. See what we got going on here, man. Could get a good little push up. But I'm looking for the push down. That's what I'm looking for. Mm-hmm. So let's be patient, man. Today, gotta be patient. Let's see. This might be the short here. I think this is a short right now. Okay, yep. Let's see. See. Yeah. I think this might be the short right here. Let's see. See what I mean? Let's see it real quick. Okay, in a little short right now. Right now, 673 is where I got in. Right here. See if we can get down there. I know we're holding the 15 and the 5. I just believe that we're about to dump real quick. Coming off the 1 hour. And that's what it seems like to me. Got a lot of room, got London lows down there. So we'll see what happens here. Look like we may get stopped out. That's what it's looking like. Yeah, I think we're gonna get stopped out here. Yeah, we got stopped out right there. Yeah. So let's see. I guess we're gonna get pushed up. We're gonna get pushing up a little bit. See what happens here. And this doesn't look like a bad trade if we wanted to go up, I guess. Just looking like we wanted to go up, so. Right here. Entry, stop loss, 80. Yeah, may take that. Since we don't want to go up or down. We'll see. See what it looks like. Okay, we'll take a jab right here for long. See if we want to go up. Do we want to take out 746 or not? Real tight stop loss. I'm already stopped out that quick. Okay, now we're just gonna relax, chill. Relax and chill. Moving pretty quick too. See, yeah, moving quick. Let's see, let's let our time frame kind of tell us what it wants to do here. Looks like a good lower. Yeah, looks like it's good lower, man. If it wants to come back, I'll take short. If it wants to come back, if it wants to close below this. If it wants to close below this and come back to it, I'll take that. I'm just really with the shorts right now. Let's see if we can close past this and then come back in there. I'm taking that short right here. I'm expecting a good drop if it comes back to it. See if we can get it. Yep, okay. Alright, so we're in there right now. We're in there. Okay, so we're just in here at I like this one. Take my entry at 246. Somewhere right here. Stop loss there. Let's see if we can get it. See if we can get it. 702. 2 right there. Okay. See if we can get it right here. Not looking like it, not looking like it. Yeah, that's it, man. Yeah, that's it for the day, dude. That's it. That's it for the day for me. That's it, man. That's a quick day. Lost. I don't like it. How's it doing? That's it for the day. That's all I'm gonna do today.